Welcome to an introduction of the Southwire T200K Multipurpose Wire Tracing Kit, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The T200K provides a simple way of tracing multiple types of unenergized wire and cable. First, press the red button to open the storage case. Inside are adapters for connection to TV cables, computer networks, telephone lines, automotive fuses, and unterminated cables. Remove the desired adapter and plug it into the transmitter. Connect the other end of the adapter to the cable being traced. Press the on button to activate the tone generator. Hold the receiver close to the cable and press the test button. The pulsating tone will get louder and a flashing LED will glow as the receiver comes in close contact with the wire undertone. Lowering the sensitivity can make it easier to pinpoint the exact location of the cable. When tracing unterminated cables, use the alligator clip adapter. Connect the red lead to one of the wires in the cable and leave the black lead disconnected. This will allow the signal to radiate from the cable, making it easier to trace the cable run. To pinpoint a specific cable within a nest of twisted pair cables, connect the red and black lead to separate conductors on one pair within the cable. The twisting on the wires will keep the signal from radiating outside the cable. The tone will be loudest when the tip of the probe is touching the wire's undertone. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.